Hi friends, so today I will show you how to create free unlimited Seedance 2.0 standard version AI free video with 15 seconds and 4K. Yeah, friends, for that first, go to email Nater and DI as I do to create an email. So friends, after creating email, go to Duet AI and click start free and click the magic code and paste the email which we created now and click send, and you can see that it asks for a 6-digit code. Go back to email Nader and click this go on that. You will be launched to the inbox. On the inbox you can see Duet sign up request. Click it and copy the code. Come back to Duet AI and paste the codes. So friends, after that you will be redirected to here. Now do as I do to complete this survey. So friends, after completing the survey, you will be redirected to here. And don't forget to make it in Windows layout if you are using it in mobile. Okay, now click this new chat and type this as I type. And also friends, all the links I used here is available in my comments and Telegram channel. So friends, after typing this, click send. Just wait some time. And friends, you can see this, like it's creating your video with Seedance 2.0 standard version. Okay, after 5 minutes, our video will be generated. See friends, now our video is generated. Look, isn't it good? Okay, friends, if you find this good, click this download and you can download the video. Okay, okay, friends, for unlimited use, multiple emails created by email, Nater, and sign up with that. So friends, that's the video for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow my Telegram. Channel link is available in my comments. Bye, see you on next video.